NTU's College of Public Health Associate Dean Zhan Chang-chuan today led a group of NGOs to protest Taiwan's exclusion from this year's World Health Assembly, which formally opens tomorrow. The groups are calling for Taiwan to return to the WHO, for which Taiwan hasn't this year received an invitation. They still hope WHO Secretary-General Margaret Chan will send a formal invitation to Health Minister Chen Shih-chung, inviting Taiwan to attend.
Over a dozen doctors, public health specialists and student representatives are shouting slogans, giving their support to the Health Ministry's unofficial delegation, which is already in Geneva, the venue of the WHO. We hope WHO Director-General Margaret Chan will issue Taiwan's Health Minister Chen Shih-chung a formal invitation letter just in time before the official opening of the WHO. Politics has borders. There are political problems, but the spread of disease is borderless. Scholars and doctors say that in recent years new viruses have spread quickly, affecting the health of people around the world. Taiwan needs to exchange information about epidemic prevention with the rest of the globe. Usually China will not provide Taiwan-related data to the WHO's Health Information and Data Bank, so whenever we compare data from different countries, whether it relates to medical standards or palliative care, information relating to Taiwan is always missing. This NGO, composed of doctors, is holding white balloons to convey their faith that Taiwan will not be excluded from the WHO because of political interference.